Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all to the Sikhya Sanjog program Koraput. Children, we have almost finished discussing the third part of the story, The Lost Child. In today's class, we are going to discuss the next paragraphs. Before moving on to the next part, let's have a quick glimpse of the previous class. The child pleaded his parents to go on a roundabout, but unfortunately his parents were not present with him. ପିଲାଟି ଦୋଳିରେ ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଦୃଢ଼ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଛି, ମାତ୍ର ସେତେବେଳେ ତା ବାପା ମା ତା ସହିତ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ନଥିଲେ. Being shocked, he searched his family in every direction, cried a lot and got his clothes dirty. आश्चर्य होई से निज बापा माँ को चारिआडे खोजिछि, जोर जोर कांदिछि ओ एथि मध्यरे तार पोशाक मध्य गंधिया होइछि. He watched a group of men and women talking from a distance and tried to locate his parents, but he was disappointed. इति मध्यरे से दूररे थिबा किछि पुरुष ओ स्त्री मानंको गपिबार मध्य देखिछि ओ सेथि मध्यरु निज बापा मांको खोजिबा पई चेष्टा करिछि, किंतु से निराश होइछि. The fourth paragraph of the third part. He ran quickly again, this time to a temple, to which people seemed to be crowding. Every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering, "Mother, father." Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled with each other. The poor child struggled to find a way between their feet, but finally failed and raised his voice with the highest pitch. "Father, mother!" A man in the rushing crowd heard his cry and, stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up in his arms. New words and their meanings. Seem to, jana podila. Linking verb ta, crowding, bhida haba. Inch. Inch means a unit to measure distance, durata mapibara ekaka. Here every little inch of space means मंदिर भितरर प्रत्येक जागा. Congested गहलिया. Lingering to continue for a long time. Entrance प्रवेश पथ. Thick अधिक मोटा गहलिया. एठारे गहली को बुझा जाइछि, अधिक गहलिया. Jostled to push roughly against in a crowd, against each other in a crowd. भिड़रे परस्पर को ठेला पेला हेबा. Raised to increase the level of something, कौनसी जिनिसर लेवल बा स्तरटाକୁ बढ़ेबा. एठारे वॉइस रो स्तर बा स्वरर स्तर को कहा जाइछि. Highest pitch उच्च स्वर रे. Rushing to move quickly. Stooping to bend forward, आगो को झुंकी पड़िबा. So here the child has come to a temple, the temple which was very crowded with people. He ran to a crowded temple in search for his parents. As the entrance to the temple was even more crowded, the child was stuck between people's feet and cried loudly. A man from the crowd heard his cry and, with great difficulty, lifted him in his arms. ପିଲାଟି ଗୋଟେ ଗହଳିଆ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଧାଇଁଲା ନିଜ ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଜିବା ପାଇଁ। ମନ୍ଦିରର ପ୍ରବେଶ ପଥରେ ବହୁତ ଗହଳି ଥିବାରୁ ଲୋକେ ପରସ୍ପର ସହିତ ଠେଲାପେଲି ହେଉଥିଲେ। ପିଲାଟି କେଉଁଠି ମଧ୍ୟ ବାଟ ନ ପାଇ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ଗୋଡ଼ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଆଉ ଉଚ୍ଚ ସ୍ୱରରେ ସେ ପୁଣି ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା। ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ତାର ଚିତ୍କାର ଶୁଣି ବଡ଼ କଷ୍ଟରେ ତଳକୁ ଝୁଙ୍କି ତାକୁ ନିଜ ପାଖକୁ ଉଠାଇ ଆଣିଲେ। How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked worriedly. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Worriedly, चिंतित हुई, got tensed, wept, V2 form of weep, कांदिला, bitterly, extremely, अधिक जोरे. Here, the man worriedly asked the child, how could he come here? Whose baby was he? But the child wept and wept bitterly. ଲୋକଟି ପିଲାଟି ସେଠାକୁ କିପରି ଆସିଲା ଓ ତା ବାପା ମାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଟି ଜୋର ଜୋର ସେ କାନ୍ଦିଲା। The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child did not look at it, but he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. Soothe, console, comfort, आश्वासना दबा. Approached, to go near, पाखକୁ गले. Ring, चक्रदोली, roundabout. Shouted, चित्कार कला. To quieten the child, to make the child calm, the man asked him, the child, gently, to have a horse ride on the ring. But the child shouted, Father, mother. ଲୋକଟି ପିଲାକୁ ଆଶ୍ୱାସନା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ, ଚୁପ୍ କରାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚକ୍ରଦୋଳିରେ ବସିବାକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଟି ତିଳେ ମାତ୍ର ସେପଟେ ନ ଚାହିଁ ବାପା ମା ଦରକାର କହି ଜୋର ସେ ଚିତ୍କାର କରିଛି। Children, in the worksheet 4, you have been given to select appropriate word and fill up the blanks. Then, who said this? The statements were given by whom? प्रथमे पिले वर्कशीट 4 रो एकरे दिया जाइछि एप्रोप्रिएट माने यथार्थ शब्द को व्यवहार करिकी ब्लैंक्स खाली जगह पूरण करिबो। द्वितीयटा होछि एई उक्ति जाक किए कहिछंती। 3 टारे अछि तमर क्रॉसवर्ड पजल। पजल माने गेम जो थे कि तम माने एक्रॉस आउ डाउन पार्ट रे दिया जाइथिबा हिंट्स गुडी को देखी वर्ड टी को गेस करिबो आउ तार स्पेलिंग टी को खाली जगह रे पूरण करिबो। जेमिति कि गोटे एग्जांपल मु दोछि अक्रॉस पार्ट देखो जाइछि बामरु डाहाण को। एथिरे 1 नंबर क्वेश्चन रे लेखा हेछि टू पुश ईच अदर इन अ क्राउड। गहली रे परस्पर को ठेला पेला हबा हेले वर्ड टी केते लेटर रो ना 6टी लेटर बा अक्षर विशिष्ट एही वर्ड टी जोटा कि स्टार्ट हेछि तमर जेरु जेरु स्टार्ट हेछि आउ तापरे ब्लैंक अछि खाली अछि तापरे अछि एसटी तापरे खाली अछि तापरे ई अछि। तो आमे पढ़िचे जसल JOSTLE। तो ए प्रकार भावरे तमे ओ आउ एल टी को लेखिकी जसल वर्ड टी को कंप्लीट करिबो। आउ गोटे कथा पिले तम माने ध्यान रखिबो 1 2 3 4 5 एई वर्ड गुड़ाक तमर बामरु दक्षिण को जाउछि आउ 6 7 8 9 10 ऊपर तल को जाउछि। तो यही परि भाबरे तमे माने हिंट्स गुड़ा को पढ़िबो आउ वर्ड टी को गैस करिकी तार स्पेलिंग लिखिबो। पुणी आमे माने भेटिबा तुम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे जोटा कि हबो तमर लॉस्ट चाइल्ड पाठर लास्ट पार्ट लास्ट क्लास। सेथि पर्यंत घरे रुह सुरक्षित रुह। धन्यवाद।